Kid, episode 31, Kip's birthday. I can't wait, said Bert. Kip is going to be surprised. It was Kip's birthday. Bert was planning a surprise party. It was going to be at the pond. Everyone in the park was invited. Bert flew to her nest for party hats. Kip looked his head out. Kip poked his head out of his hole. Today is my birthday, said Kip. I know, said Bert. Happy birthday! I'll see you at my party, said Kip. Bert gulped. What party? She asked. I'm planning a party for myself, said Kip. It's going to be at the giant rock. Everyone in the park was is in visit. Oh no, thought Bert. Kip was planning his own party, and Bert was planning a party too. But Bert couldn't tell Kip. Her party was a surprise. What am I going to do? Wondered Bert.